Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to start the last exercise 1.6 of chapter number 1, number system. Before starting this exercise, firstly, I am going to discussing some important identities. Okay, so identities number 1, first identity a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n, means this is a base and m and n, these are the powers. If base is same, we are observing that if base is same, then we can add the powers, that is base is same, a is same, power m plus n as it is. Second identity a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. This time we are observing that the base are different but power is same. In that case, what we can do? We can product the base and power as it is, that is a into b raised to the power m. Okay. Third identity a raised to the power m ki whole raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. We can do their product. Fourth identity a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equals to, if they are written in the numerator and denominator, then we can subtract the base power of denominator in the numerator power of the numerator, a raised to the power m minus n. Fourth identity, we can write a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m, means if power is negative, if we are going to convert this form in numerator denominator form, then like this we can write. Similarly, variety is also here, a raised to the power 0. Student, if base is any other number except 0 and the power of the base is 0, then the answer becomes always 1 except 0. If 0 raised to the power 0, then answer becomes 0 raised to the power 0, means answer becomes not defined, indeterminate form. 0 raised to the power 0 equals to not defined. Okay. These identities we will implement in our next exercise 1.6. Now I am going to start the exercise 1.6. The question number 1 is find first part, solve these values. We have to solve these part. First part 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. We can write 64 equals to 8 into 8. 8 8 ja 64, power as it is. 8 into 8, that is 8 ka square, whole raised to the power 1 by 2 as it is. An identity already we can implement here. We know a raised to the power m ki whole raised to the power n equals to, क्या कर देते हैं दोनों का प्रोडक्ट, a raised to the power m into n, that is 8 raised to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. 2 से 2 cancel, that is 8 raised to the power 1, that is 8 is your answer. Second part 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. 32 के फैक्टर 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32, whole raised to the power 1 by 5 is equals to 2 कितने टाइम्स हैं 1 2 3 4 5, 2 raised to the power 5, whole raised to the power 1 by 5. Same identity we can implement here, 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 1 by 5, 5 से 5 cancel equals to 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2 is our answer of this question. And the third part is this 125 raised to the power 1 by 3. Again we can write 125 equals to 5 into 5 into 5, whole raised to the power 1 by 3 as it is. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 raised to the power 3, whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Same identity again we can implement here, a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n, that is 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 से 3 cancel, 5 raised to the power 1 equals to 5. This is your answer. Okay. Now Second question of this exercise. Second question number second, find. Again in this question there are four part. Part number first is this 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. Okay, 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. The factor of 9, 3 into 3. So we can write 9 equals to 3 into 3 whole raised to the power 3 by 2. 3 into 3, that is 3 ka whole square, whole raised to the power 3 by 2. Same identity we can write here again. 3 raised to the power a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. 2 से 2 cancel, that is 3 raised to the power 3. 3 raised to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 is your answer. Now second part again 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. In first question already we have done the factor of 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 2 by 5. Same identity again we can implement here. A raised to the power m ki whole raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n, that is 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 into 1 upon 5. 5 से 5 cancel, 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 is your answer. Part number third, 16 raised to the power 3 upon 4. 16, the factor of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole raised to the power 3 upon 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 3 by 4. Same identity we can implement here. 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 upon 4. 4 से 4 cancel, that is 2 raised to the power 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 is your answer. And the last fourth part of question number 2 is this. Fourth part 125 raised to the power minus के 1 by 3. The factor of 125 we know 5 into 5 into 5 whole raised to the power minus के 1 by 3. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. Same identity again. 5 raised to the power 3 into minus के 1 upon 3. 3 से 3 cancel, that is 5 raised to the power minus 1. 5 raised to the power minus 1. As you all know that a raised to the power minus m we can write equals to a raised to the power plus m. Same as we can write here 5 raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 upon 5 raised to the power plus 1, that is 1 upon 5 is your answer. Okay. Now the last question of this exercise, question number third, is simplify. Simplify. In this question first part is this. Part number first 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 5. My students, we are observing that here base is same. Base is same, then what we can do? If base is same, then we can add the powers. Okay, that is 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 2 raised to the power 3 or 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, so 3 5 ja 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 3 ja 15. 10 or 3 13, that is 2 raised to the power 13 by 15 is your answer. Part number second of this question number 3, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 7 is equals to, we can write 1 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 7. 1 raised to the power 7, that is 1, and 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 3 we can write by the identity 3 raised to the power 3 into 7. By this identity a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. That is 1 upon 3 7 ja 21, that is 3 raised to the power 21 is your answer. Part number third is this 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to the power 1 by 4. 180, as we all know that a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. We can write a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. We are observing that this time it is written in the form of numerator and denominator. So numerator and denominator identity we can use here. So 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, that is 11 raised to the power 4 LCM 2 2 ja 4 4 1 ja 4, that is 11 raised to the power 2 minus 1 1 upon 4 is your answer. And the last part of question number 3 as well as the chapter 1 is this fourth part, 7 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 upon 2. This time we are observing that base they are different but power is same. As we all know that if the base is different and the power is same, then we can product the base and power as it is. That is same here. What we can do? We can do the product of base, that is 7 into 8, and the power as it is, that is 1 upon 2. 7 8 ja 56 whole raised to the power 1 upon 2. This is your final answer. Okay, now this chapter it has been closed. Today we have done this chapter. Next topic we will start the chapter number 2, polynomial. Up to that, my students, you have to revise again this chapter. After few days later I will solve your problems again. Okay, thank you to all.